This is Harini from second CSC. My bearing roll number is 244G580507. My topic is free space management in operating system. Introduction to free space management. Free space management is a critical function of an operating system. It involves tracking available memory space for efficient allocation. Proper management enhances system performance and resource utilization. Importance of free space management. Efficient free space management minimizes fragmentation in memory. It allows for optimal performance during process scheduling and memory allocation. Process management helps prevent memory leaks and resource wastage. Types of memory in operating system. Main memory is the primary storage for active processes and data. Secondary storage includes hard drives and SSDs used for long-term data retention. Understanding these types is crucial for effective free space management strategies. Free space data structures. Free space can be tracked using various data structures like bitmaps and linked lists. Each structure has its advantages and trade-offs in terms of speed and space efficiency. The choice of data structure affects the performance of memory allocation algorithms. Bitmap representation. A bitmap uses a binary representation to track allocated and free blocks. Each bit corresponds to a block of memory, simplifying allocation and deallocation. Bitmaps are efficient for small to moderate size memory management. Linked list representation. A linked list representation maintains a chain of free memory blocks for tracking. Each node in the list contains information about the size and address of free blocks. This method is flexible but can incur overhead during allocation and deallocation. Allocation strategies. First fit, best fit, and worst fit are common allocation strategies for all types. First fit allocates the first available block that meets the requirements. Best fit searches for the smallest block that can accommodate the request, reducing fragmentation. Fragmentation issues. Fragmentation occurs when free space is broken into smaller, non-contiguous pieces. External fragmentation makes it difficult to allocate larger blocks despite available free space. Internal fragmentation wastes memory within allocated blocks and can lead to inefficient usage. Compaction techniques. Memory compaction is a technique to reduce fragmentation by consolidating free space. It involves moving allocated blocks together to create larger contiguous free spaces. While effective compaction can be time consuming and may disrupt running processes. Paging and segmentation. Paging divides memory into fixed size blocks called pages, allowing non-contiguous allocation. Segmentation divides memory into variable sized segments based on logical reasons. Both methods help manage free space more effectively and reduce fragmentation. Garbage collection. Garbage collection automatically reclaims unused memory space in dynamic environments. It helps free up memory that is no longer in use, preventing memory leaks. This process can impact performance but is essential for long-running applications. Modern free space management technique. Modern operating systems employ advanced algorithms for efficient memory management. Techniques like slab allocation optimize memory for specific data structure. Continuous research in free space management aims to improve performance and reduce overhead. Conclusion. Effective free space management is vital for operating system performance. Understanding various techniques and strategies can lead to better resource utilization. Continuous advancements are necessary to address the evolving demands of computing environments. In this, we follow some steps. First, application. After system calls to operating system resource managing, operating resource management to hardware and resource. Thank you, sir.